Let's have a mindful minute together, shall we? Most of you know that I'm a longtime singer-songwriter, but I also like to think of myself as a bit of a creative alchemist. I love that term. And a crusader of truth in everything that I do, everything that I create. I'm always reaching for what I feel matters most in life, and most days I feel like I need a little surge of inspiration, but I don't have a lot of time to spend. And that inspiration can spark a lot of motivation. And sometimes the smallest doses of inspiration really help me move mountains throughout the day. Sometimes all it takes is a mindful minute to change the entire course of things. So I'm thinking maybe I can help offer some more ongoing inspiration here to help spark more ongoing motivation in you. So here's a power tip for all my fellow stress cases. Just stop whatever you're doing for a hot second and just take in some deep breaths for a minute. And then see how you feel after just one mindful minute of breathing. Way better, right? I'm Gregory Douglass, and thanks for taking a mindful minute with me out of your busy day.